Each time I touch a rose petal and breathe the sweet fragrance it brings, I know there's a God up in heaven. No human could create these things. The dogwood, the oak, and the willow so gracefully wave in the breeze. The dogwood I'll always remember. My Lord died upon one of these. The sun set in its golden splendor, such colors no artist can do. I know when I look on its beauty, each page in the Bible is true. No picture or painting can capture the beauty of any of these. The handwork of God is revealed in the flowers, the sunset, the trees.